Hey, this is the Colorman Movies, and I just finished watching episode 1 of She-Hulk, so let's talk about it. Let's start this off with my overall thoughts on She-Hulk episode 1. For starters, I enjoyed it. People I watch on YouTube say it's too funny, like some jokes don't fit. I laughed at the jokes, like pretty much all of them, and then if I didn't find a joke, I just didn't even knew that was a joke. So until someone points it out. So far, no one's pointed it out. So yeah, I enjoyed episode 1. Yeah, I'm excited to see what's next for episode 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, there's 9. And then yeah, I'm excited to see what's next. Now, I think we should talk about the CGI for She-Hulk. People have been complaining about the CGI. I haven't noticed. Did I notice it in episode 1? No, I did not notice at all. I barely even noticed it in the movies till someone points it out. So, yeah, I just never noticed the CGI. It's not, even if I did, I don't really care about it unless if it's so horrible. It's yeah. Yeah, I never noticed the CGI problems until someone points it out. So I haven't noticed it in She-Hulk. So you can't ask me if I thought the CGI was good. I would say yes, because I didn't really see what the problem was. Now I'm going to break down episode 1 and give you my thoughts on everything that we go across. So for starters, the origin story is different from the comics. Now, in the comics, John Walters gets shot, has to go to the hospital. That's when Bruce Banner transfers blood to her, and then she becomes Hulk that way. But in the show, she's driving in the car, talking about Captain America. A ship comes down, it's World Out Hulk. People are theorizing that's going to be a thing because that ship is from Thor Ragnarok. So people think World Out Hulk is going to be a thing. I think so too, because that ship kind of they want Bruce back. So then they crash, and then Jen Walker cuts her arm on some glass, goes to Bruce to help him. His blood goes into her arm, and she comes Hulk that way. It works, but it's not accurate, but I don't care. I would have preferred them going to the hospital and doing the blood transfer instead of blood going into her arm. I prefer that way, not the way that was shown in the show. The beginning half was fine, but not how the blood went into her cut. But I rather had the transfer go into her. And then the rest of the show, she's basically training to be a Hulk. She's basically already trained. She's better than the actual Hulk. Bruce is jealous. And yeah. And then I felt like the episode just ended there. She wanted to finish her law case, so it just ended. Like it was a movie. But it's only 40 minutes. So it just ended abruptly. And yeah, the post credit scene, yeah, just going with what happened at the beginning of the episode. It was the post credit scene was fine. It was unnecessary. So, yeah, that's my thoughts on She-Hulk, episode 1. For episode 1, I will give it a 8 out of 10. And yeah, I enjoyed it. I'm going to check out episode 2. If you haven't seen this, I would watch it. And yeah, there's no reason why not. If you have Disney Plus, just hop on right now in your free time or something and watch it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you love movies like me, make sure to subscribe down below, like the video, and see you.